How to mute chats on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute it. First of all, open the application. So this is the place where you can find different inbox and other people. Now simply tap and hold on to the one that you want to mute. So here I'm tapping on one. Now without leaving the touch, simply drag and drop it to the bottom at this three dot icon. Now here on the top, you can see this mute icon. Simply tap on this mute icon. Here you can customize and select the timing in order to mute it. So simply select the one. Now it's all done. So the chat has been muted for a certain time. Now you can easily unmute it too and start chatting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.